Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to clone a voice using the AI and specifically the Elevenlabs AI model. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So now we need just to go to our Elevenlabs website and then you will need to log in to your account. So now uh, I'm using only the free version of 11 labs. So for the cloning or the voice cloning, you won't have all the tools or all the features of cloning if you do not have the premium tool or the premium version of 11 labs. If you want to upgrade your plan, you will need just to click here and then you can see all the plans from the starter to creator. And as you can see, you can be able or you will have some debugging studio and the instant voice cloning. But still, even if you have the free voice or the free plan, you can start having some type of cloning. And basically to clone any voice, you will need just to come here and add the voices. So basically, either you are using text to speech, speech to speech, you will need just to come here and you will need just to add voice and add generative or cloned voice. Otherwise, you can start just click here clone voice, and from here you can design your own voice from scratch, or you can use the voice library from the Elevenlabs community, but you cannot have some instant voice cloning by adding a clean sample recording. You will need to have the premium version of Elevenlabs. So here in the voice design, you can choose either it is a female, young age, or middle age. You can choose accents, and from here you can have the strength of accents, and you can start telling him or choosing the text so you can have more accuracy or just to listen on what would the voice sound like, and you click on generate, and after that or after creating you will be able to start using the voice. And now you can create the voice, ever give it a name, and of course you give it a name, for example Sarah or whatever. You create a voice, and if I go to the speeches here, I can find Sarah here that I have just created. So as you can see, now I'm having this Sarah voice that will be here. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.